Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to do a short demonstration of how you can use the Twitter stream in a Mule ESV Anypoint flow. Let's start by creating a new project. Just normal settings. Let's call it Twitter test. The Twitter connector is something that exists in the standard Anypoint connectors. So let's search for Twitter here, and we can drag it out. I'll use the newest versions because there are many available, and I'll also add a simple logger over here. And let's just put a message for future. He tweeted. So what I'm going to do is set up this connector with my access key and consumer key, and I'm going to follow a user on Twitter and see how we'll get a hit on this logger message each time he tweets or retweets or anything. Let's start by creating the connector here. So I'll cheat since I've copied my access key earlier. So I'll just enter the access key. You can get these from apps.twitter.com, and the same with the consumer key. I will obviously have to change these for my accounts after this, but I'll make sure to do that. So I'll just need these for these two keys and the secrets attached, and I'll hit OK. I can use a filtered stream. That will be okay. And I will add, I will follow a user ID. And the user ID is something that you can extract from Twitter, or there are many services which you can just enter a username, a Twitter username into. I'll just demonstrate it here. Get Twitter ID. And I can enter my Emil Hilmer, my old name, my Twitter, and I can get the Twitter user ID here. So I'll just paste that into the list. I'll hit save. We can watch the configuration in here too, and everything seems just okay. So let's run this as a Mule application. At first, it will take a little time to connect to the Twitter service. We will get a message here, establishing connection. After some seconds, a few other messages will appear saying that it is complete. It's also important not to deploy too many times in a row while looking for errors here, since there's a limit on how often you can log in with these credentials. So it is receiving the status stream and everything works fine. If we hit my Twitter account and just let's find something by Mule developers that I can just retweet. And it's a lot of information they have retweeted here. Run with the mules. Yeah. That's actually a nice picture. Let's just retweet that. Yeah. And, oh, we got a hit in here too. So something obviously happened. So it's listening on that Twitter stream. It is listening with another account, but that's important. Let's toggle a breakpoint here just to find out exactly what is happening. And we'll debug this as a Twitter application in debug mode, just to see exactly what's going on. So it is deployed. think. Yes, and it's establishing the connection again. Let's find a more suitable message. Here we can look at this new blog post about monitoring servers and apps with Splunk. Very interesting, to be honest. Check it out later. Waiting for the next message to appear. And there it is. So let's do a quick retweet. Oh, I have already retweeted that one. We'll hit on a random. There. And we reached our breakpoint. We can check the Mule debugger here. What is going on in the payload? So we're having a JSON message in the payload right now, containing a lot of information about this retweet. So if we just check the contents here, we can see the somewhere here. That's fine. The actual message is here, of course. The text message. It's a retweet of Mule Dev, and it's about the Salesforce Analytics Cloud Connector. So you can get information about that this was a retweet, the original message, a lot of other information that it was used by, it was performed by the Twitter web client, and you should also be able to see the ID of the user that retweeted. So this can all actually be used quite interestingly, and it is also possible to use it as an outbound endpoint. So you can use it to create places. You can get tweets. You can write or update your status, which means posting a message to Twitter. So you can automate and post tweets on certain business events. But that's for the future. Now I have demonstrated this. I'll see you guys soon again. Bye.